that is transforming Saudi Arabia into an economic powerhouse, building on the three foundations: a vibrant society, a thriving economy, and an ambitious nation. Since the launch of our vision for the future, the Kingdom has been introducing new programs, new strategies, and trillion-dollar giga projects that are delivering true transformation to achieving the economic revolution and unlock the Kingdom's full potential, including the National Industrial Development and Logistical Program, which aims to transform the Kingdom into a leading industrial powerhouse and a global logistic hub by maximizing the value of our mining and energy sectors while unlocking the full potential and local content and the fourth industrial revolution. The Kingdom also launched the National Industrial Strategy last year, building on a 50-year foundation of success, competitive advantages, and practical plans for real industrial growth from a base of already identified opportunities supported by a new approach into governance and policies. Prioritizing 12 sectors, including minerals, Saudi Arabia seeks to triple manufacturing GDP by 2030 and increase industrial exports over $148 billion. Saudi Arabia is currently the world's fourth largest net importer of mineral. Giga projects and industrial transformation initiatives are expected to triple our local demand for minerals. That's why we are using the world's best and safest technology and centuries of know-how to further survey and explore the underexplored Kingdom and develop the identified endowments of estimated at $1.3 trillion. Over the past years, we have worked in a full transformation and development of the mining sector, including launching the world's largest and latest regional geological survey, over 600 square kilometers of Arabian Shield, with more than $1.5 billion to be spent. Developing a digital national geoscience database that contains 80 years of geological records, verifies new world-class law that is competitive, provide for the security of tenure, is transparent, clear, and progressively embraces a new principle of ESG. Spending billions of dollars on infrastructure developments, including ports, railways, energy networks, and industrial mining city. But we know that no country can do it alone, and that even our vast mineral resources won't be enough to achieve our objectives in time. That's why the Saudi Public Investment Fund, PIF, and our national mining company, Ma'aden, created Manara Minerals, which was announced during the Future Minerals Forum in Riyadh last January, to invest in mining assets globally and secure strategic minerals that are essential for Saudi Arabia economic development, as well as the resilience of the global supply chains. We can only realize a sufficient, secure, and resilient supply of minerals if the government, industry, and other stakeholders collaborate. The notion that any single entity can solve the challenges ahead no longer applies. They are too great and complex to navigate alone. Multi-stakeholder collaborative approaches are key to bridging the gap between where the industry is and where it needs to be. In order